Oh my god. Look at, there is something I got online that makes it easy for me to wash my shoes in a washing machine, because most times I wash my shoes in a washing machine, it gets damaged one way or the other. So this is it. Like, it's a shoe bag. I was so excited to see this online, so I got to buy it. Look at it. So I got this from Carities. This is the name. So look at how the inside is. Looking at the size, this can only contain a pair. So I'll be trying it and seeing how well it will wash my shoes and it will come out with no damage. Do you want to say it with me? Let's go. You see? The soles. See? So this, I'll put this ones in. Is it one or two? One and a half. Of on inside. And the detergent seal. Let's see how it is. Oh my god. Look at, clean. To wash even the soles. Can you remember the soles were also dirty? Like, clean, no damage, nothing. It came out so clean. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm saying. Like, this thing is so clean as even the soles. That is the shocking part of it.